Hi, I'm Valencia.
And I'm Ruth.
And today we're gonna teach you how to make a perfect 5-pointed star.
How many cuts is that gonna take?
1.
What? Just one?
Yeah, but there are a lot of folds that you have to do.
Folds. Okay, what's first?
To fold a hamburger fold.
And that means so that it's fatter instead of skinnier.
You do it as evenly as you can. And then you crease it.
Alright, that looks good.
No.
I'm skipping on to the next one. So another hamburger fold.
Another hamburger fold, but you don't crease it completely. You only crease it a tiny bit. Right
So when we
here.
open it up, it's like that.
Yeah.
Okay. What's next? So we keep it open like this.
Yeah. And then you turn in, then you do a hot dog fold, which is skinnier. You don't crease it completely though.
Just like before.
Just like before, except a bit of a longer
a little bit
crease.
longer, just right there.
Just a tiny bit.
Okay. What's the next part?
Then you take this part of the paper.
So you fold it at that center
And you
crease.
fold it at the center crease and make it so that the corner is on the
hot dog crease.
the hot dog crease. And then then it should look like this.
Yeah, so the corner of our small hamburger got folded along the hot dog line. Okay. And we'll call this a napkin.
It's like a folded napkin.
Okay. So
Instead
now,
you're gonna turn it into ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, so I'll fold that front part of the napkin over
Yeah, you fold
in half.
this part of the napkin over, and it has to be on the corner, and it has to line up with the edge of the paper.
And then we've got ice cream over a napkin, right?
Yeah, then we have ice cream over a napkin. Or flying ice cream with like the trail behind it.
Nice, flying ice cream. Okay, but we're gonna take that tail and turn it into ice cream on the back.
Yeah, we're gonna this, and we're gonna fold it to line up with this, right?
To line it up with the back of the ice cream. That's
Line it
right.
up with the
So we
back.
had this napkin under the ice cream, and we folded it back so that it lines up with the edge of the ice cream. So now it's a smaller napkin behind our ice cream. And then we just fold that last bit of the napkin to line up with the other edge of the cone. The same edge of the cone. Oops, bless you. This is untight. Now we've got ice cream on each side. Ice cream, ice cream.
I'm gonna make it ice cream on each side. Now you take some scissors.
And how do we know where to cut?
It has to be above this little tiny thing.
So the lowest part of the ice cream cone? It has to be, or
No,
if
you
you've got your
have
ice
to
cream
turn it upside down.
Okay, so upside
You have
down
to
ice
turn
cream.
it upside down, and then you have to make it above the cut above here.
Above the lowest part of the cone.
Show you.
Okay.
And
Okay. Let's
it
see.
depends how wide or thin you make the cut. Make it a wide star, thin stars,
Right,
thin
like
star.
that. A fatter star or a thinner star. So you've got a pretty fat star in yours. So in order to make mine skinny, I'm gonna cut mine.
And it will be 2 times the size of,
Yeah.
of the cut that you make, so...
Yeah, because it's folded, right?
It's folded, so it will be like this. You unfold it. Now I have a
I
hat.
think mine is still pretty.
I have a hat. Ugh.
Oh, mine's still pretty
There's a
fat. Is there
starfish on
anything
my
I can do
face.
if I want it to be... What if I want it to be thinner?
I don't know what you can do if you want it to.
Oh, look. I folded it back up. So that was a
What?
single cut star, but if I want it to be thinner, maybe I'll
Yeah, you
do
can
a second cut and I'll trim it.
do a second cut. Yeah, I'm gonna make mine a bit.
There we go. Skinny star. So basically, all of that folding that we did before is just so that we could get a piece of paper that had 10 equal creases in it. Right? Each of these 10 segments is evenly spread out around the center of our page. Just how many sides does a star have,
5.
Valencia? Well, it has 5 points, but how many sides do you think it has?
10.
Yeah, right? So if we have 10 paper segments, we make 1 cut that goes through every
Mommy?
paper segment.
If you cut it, it makes it a smaller star, not a skinnier star.
Well, you cut it a different way than I cut it.
Oh.
Okay, so let's say here's my
Oops.
my double ice cream again. And if I want to make it just a single snip, and I want to make it skinny, I'm going to angle it up like that to make it skinny. But I get to use the scissors when I'm holding them.
Sorry.
And then I'll pass them on. Okay, so that's my
So you cut
one
it
skinny
here?
snip. No.
You cut it here.
Yeah.
Because that's what I was doing it before.
So, right, so you would cut yours to end up here. Alright. 5-pointed star. That's kind of pretty where it's creased in the middle like that.
Yeah.
So we're thinking we might hang these up in the window, right? Make a whole
Yeah.
bunch of these. And
We already have a few, and then we have this, and
we should make some that are different sizes too.
We already made some that are different sizes, kind of.
A little bit, but like we could make tiny ones and make big ones. Okay, bye everybody.
Bye.